In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix mic not working in Discord web. Let's get started. First, check the bottom left corner of Discord and make sure you are not muted. If the button says on mute, click it so it changes to mute. After that, click on the user settings icon, scroll down to app settings and open voice in data. Under the voice section, make sure the correct input device is selected because this is the microphone Discord will use. You can also increase the input volume and run the built-in mic test to check whether Discord is detecting your voice properly. If your mic still is not working, make sure your physical microphone or headset is not muted using its hardware mute button. Then inside Discord voice and video settings, set the input mode to voice activity and enable automatic input sensitivity. You can also try turning noise suppression to none and disabling advanced voice activity settings, since these features can sometimes block certain microphones. If nothing fixes the problem, scroll to the top of the voice and video page and press reset voice settings and confirm the reset. Discord will restart automatically. Once it opens again, turn to voice and video settings, reselect your microphone and test it once more. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.